Today we are checking the operation of this temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, we put some ice, okay, and we are checking the BMS if it will be affected or not, because it must sense the cooled temperature. Okay, so now there is some problem in it. Okay, let's remove the ice. No need for ice again. Okay, and this is the sensor. Okay, this is our sensor. This inside here there is like antenna. This is the sensor inside. Okay, and this is the cover for protection from the weather and the outside conditions. Okay, this is our Siemens outdoor humidity and temperature sensor. This giving signal to the BMS system about the outside temperature. Okay, you know, there we are here in front of building. In this side there is not too much sun, not facing the sun all the time, and also there is protection from the weather conditions. This is our temperature sensor. Okay, as we see here, just wire connections. Okay, this is the wire connection. Okay, and this is cover for protection. Let's close it. Here, this is the pipe connection. It is going here inside and connected to the BMS to give signal about the temperature.